ConvertKit is an email marketing tool that allows you to create landing pages and forms. They help you to capture your visitors' data and build your email list. ConvertKit is a very important lead generation tool. These landing pages and forms can be embedded into your WordPress website as well. And I don't have to tell you that you would want to embed landing pages or contact forms that you created on ConvertKit in your website. In order to do that, first you need to connect your ConvertKit account with your WordPress website. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia, and in this SOP, we're going to be connecting our ConvertKit account with our WordPress website in very simple steps. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first step towards connecting your ConvertKit account with your WordPress account is to go ahead and download the ConvertKit plugin on our WordPress website. So in your left sidebar, you will find the options for plugins, and you will just click on Add New. Great. Now that that's popped up, you have to go to Search Plugins and just search for ConvertKit from here. Great. So, the ConvertKit plugin is right here. There's ConvertKit for WooCommerce. We don't need all of this. We just need the ConvertKit plugin. Hit on install now. If you want to look at the details, you can go ahead and look at the details as well. As you can see, the installation process, any FAQs, anything that you want to see, the screenshots of how it works, and the reviews, of course. So you can just go ahead and look at all of this if you want, and hit on activate once it's installed. Awesome. So I think that's done. Now our next step is to log into our ConvertKit dashboard, and this is where you will land. Now all you have to do is go to your account page that you will find in the top right corner. I don't know if you can see this right now or not, but in the top right corner, you will find that, and you have to go to the settings that you can see from your profile. And there will come your profile, your login details. Awesome. So you can fill all of this up. This is a fairly new account, so I have not filled anything. You can type in the name. And of course, you have to enable the two-factor authentication. That is very, very important. I highly recommend that you do that. All right, so the next step is that you have to go to advanced from here. As you can see, affiliate link, API, and tracking options. Now, what we want to do over here is copy the API key from here to our WordPress account settings so that they both can be linked together. All right, so this is your API key. So we'll first of all go ahead and copy and paste this particular API key. All right. So you take that, you hit either on Command B, Control V, or you just copy it from here. Up to you how you want to do that. So now that that's copied, go back to your WordPress dashboard. All right, so now you have to find ConvertKit in your left sidebar. Since we have already installed that particular plugin, you will find that under Settings. And there you go. ConvertKit is the second last option that we can see from here. Let's click on that. Awesome. So as you can see, we have to put the API key right here. Just paste it right here and go back to your ConvertKit account. Now next comes the API secret key. The secret key is needed to list subscribers or unsubscribe them, get the fully scoop by reading our API documentation. So go ahead, read on it a little bit more if you want to understand properly how all of this works. Hit on show and just copy this API secret key, go back to your WordPress settings and paste the API secrets key right here. And the next thing that you want to do is just save the changes. And there you go. You have successfully connected your ConvertKit account with your WordPress website. Thanks guys for watching the video. I hope it helped you connect your ConvertKit account with your WordPress website. We will be coming up with a lot of SOPs regarding ConvertKit and WordPress websites, so stay tuned for that. If you have any comments, any suggestions, or if you want to see any video in particular on the Learn Today channel, feel free to go ahead and comment them in the comment section down below and hit on that like button as well. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.